Ready to ditch that keyboard and experience racing on your Mac like never before? Let's get your Logitech G920 connected. First, locate a USB port on the back of your Mac. It's best to plug directly into the computer, avoiding USB hubs if possible for optimal performance. Now, take the USB cable attached to the steering wheel base and firmly plug it into that USB port. Next, grab the power adapter for your G920. This is essential for force feedback to work correctly. Plug the power adapter into the back of the wheel base, and then plug the adapter into a wall outlet. You should see the wheel calibrate itself. Ensure the pedal cable is securely connected to the base of the steering wheel. Finally, you'll need the Logitech G Hub software. Head to the Logitech website and download the version compatible with your macOS. The link is in the description. Install G Hub, and it should automatically detect your G920. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's it. G Hub allows you to customize button assignments and force feedback settings. Now you're ready to hit the virtual track. Enjoy.